A warm welcome to all listeners. Myself Pungavi, research scholar from Department of Entomology, Faculty of Agriculture at Annamala University. I am going to present oral presentation on topic Safety of Newer Insecticides to Natural Enemies in Blackgram Ecosystem at Karaikal region. This is my part of my PG research work. Introduction. The main purpose of choosing newer insecticides is synthetic insecticides like organophosphorus, organochlorine, carbamate insecticides are widely used by the farmers for controlling the pest. At the same time, these insecticides develop resistance among the pests and leaves residue in the soil and affect the non-target organism. Keeping in this view, when compared to synthetic insecticide, newer insecticide formulations are less toxic to mammals, birds, animals as well as natural enemies like pollinators, etc. So I have chosen two objectives. The first objective is to study the efficacy of newer insecticides against predatory coccinelles and spiders in Blackgram ecosystem during two seasons, Kharif and Rabi. And also second objective is recording the phytotoxic effect of newer insecticides in Blackgram ecosystem. Next one is experimental particulars. Statistical design RBD was taken with 9 treatments and 3 applications. The first treatment is chlorothalidone and the second one is imamectin benzoate, third is flubentamide, 4 is lambda-cyhalothrin, 5th is azadirachtin, and the 6th is indoxacarb, 7th is triadiclop, and 8th is novaluron, and the 9th treatment is water spray, that is anti-trichik. And the spray was given for 2 seasons and the variety chosen is VBN Blackgram 5. Assessment particulars. For assessment of natural enemy, foliar spray were given for controlling the pest. Totally 6 sprays were given. In each season 3 sprays were given. The spray were given for 2 seasons, Rabi and Kharif. After each spraying, count of coccinelles and spiders were taken and were recorded 3, 5, 7, 10 and 14 days after treatment. For assessment of phytotoxicity, symptoms like yellowing, tip necrosis, epinosity, etc. All these symptoms are observed after the application of newer insecticides in the Blackgram field. Here coming to results of my study, among the newer insecticides treated, it was recorded that anti-trichik recorded the highest predatory coccinelle population, about 2.13, followed by azadirachtin and followed by chlorothalidone and flubentamide when compared to other treatments. Similar results were obtained for predatory spiders in both the seasons. For predatory spiders, anti-trichik recorded 2.64 spiders, followed by 2.38 spiders recorded azadirachtin, followed by chlorothalidone and flubentamide recorded the highest predatory spider population when compared to other treatments in both the season in Kharif and Rabi 2019 to 2020. For assessment of phytotoxicity, observations like yellowing, tip necrosis were observed in the field after going for foliar application. None of the symptoms are observed in the field in my research, in my field study. Here coming to discussion, Mahalakshmi and his co-authors in 2013 conducted a field study during 2008 to 2009 and 2009 to 2010. They used Coragen, that is chlorothalidone insecticide, at a different concentration. They reported that these Coragen found to be safer to coccinelle species like Coccinella species and Cyma species and spider, etc. And Patel and his co-authors in 2016 also reported that chlorothalidone was found to be safe to spider population in the field, can be recommended for pest management practices. Wang et al. And his co-authors in 2017 used several newer insecticide formulations. They recorded that spinosad and imamectin benzoate and chlorothalidone was found to be safe to coccinelle populations. These reports are confirmatory with my present findings. Here coming to conclusion, here I conclude that among the newer insecticides from my experiment treated, chlorothalidone and flubentamide found to be has no adverse effect on natural enemy population. So these two insecticides can be recommended in IPM management, that is integrated pest management in Blackgram ecosystem, so that we can able to control the pests like defoliators and pod borer. At the same time, we can able to sustain the natural enemy population without causing adverse effect in near future. Thank you.